Okay, so this is beautiful, I think. The one that's left is, I think, for belt. So we're not going to do any design from belt. What we'll do, we're going to combine them together. All right. So let's see if we can do something again for the belt. So let's see if we can do something for the belt. Let's look at the pictures again. We need the pictures to get idea. We need them to get idea. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to do something like this. New document. Okay. So right now we're going to bring one, two, um, three, four. We're going to pick many things. So we're going to pick a lot of images, a lot of images, a lot of images. We're picking a lot this time around. A lot of images for the wallets, for the belt, and what else? I think those are okay. Those are good enough. So we can. How many images is that? I think there are many. So by using circle or true. Okay. All right. Now this is the guy that we use to cover everything. Put the star. All right. So rasterize this image. Where are you? Rasterize. We are going to trim this part of the image. We'll delete that part, and then we'll take this image down and we'll lock it. Okay. So these other images are gonna just be getting one. Okay. Now we're going to, these are transparent images. These are transparent images. The transparent images. Then we have these shoes. These shoes are going to put them into circles. Put them into circles. Something like that is good. Something like this is good. Just keep it in one corner first. This one was also putting it in circles. No. Deleting that guy. Deleting this guy. Okay. So, okay. Deleting that guy. Oh, delete this guy. Delete. I think we use this guy. Yep. We use this guy. We're gonna use that guy. Good. How about this guy? Shoe. Okay, so let's see whether we'll do this one. So we're trying to see if we will need. Now this is scattered. I don't know how to call this design yet, so this is not a design yet. We're still trying to work on this and make it come alive. All right. So we're going to do quite a lot of things to make sure this come alive. We're still looking at what we can do to make it come alive. All right. Still looking at a range of things that we can do to make it come alive. Oh shit. Okay. That looks somewhat like me with inner stroke. There's the color. Okay. Inner stroke. That's the color. Inner stroke. That's the color. Okay, so now we are bringing life into this bottom part of the design. Something else we can do. Something else we can do. Let's look at this particularly. Um, we can make these ones. These three come up. All right. Can delete them entirely, right? Can delete these three things entirely. See if this is okay. To the stars. Can bring this one here. Okay, make this like this. And bring this one here. We've not even saved the design. Go to the store. Okay. Address, let's save. Go to the store. Right, go to the three. So the information we have for the design is not really much. So we're doing our best to maximize the okay. So we can we're thinking we can make this black or brown. What do you think? Maybe we can make this color different. Make it different. Restore now. What we can do, what we can do, restore, right? We can make this color, can make it different, make that different. Okay, Yeah, something like this is good. Still, and instead of making brown too much, brown was too much. Okay, so that is fine. That's fine. Contrast. Okay, I think this is better. This is better. This is okay. We have very few, very limited information given to us for the design, and we can use uh, wristwatches, shoes, belt, wallets, etc. Hat, dress. Right? Yeah, dress. So this is somewhat we can work with. This may not really be everything you can do with this type of images, but we are just trying to do something basic, something that you can look at and you'll be able to do it also. You can do this simple design on Canva. Yeah, you can do it on Canva. Just bring the images there and you arrange them the way I was trying to arrange them since. Just think of something. This may not really be all there is that we can do with these images, but yeah, it is pretty appealing, attracting, not too crowded, something that someone can look at and we get the exact picture straight away. We get the exact um, uh, reason for the flyer, what the flyer is communicating, what the brand is all about. Something you can just look at quickly and you get the idea. Now, if you notice, we didn't use any particular color across all the designs. Here, we use brown majorly, okay, and then we used little blue. Then here, there was also brown and blue, okay. But another color that was consistent also is the cream color, okay. We have cream color here, we have cream color here. So then, but this last design, we have cream color, and not so much blue, but we have green this time around. So this is not consistent across the brown, but I did this because there was no particular color of the brand. I was not given a color. So I was just doing something that I think they will love, right? So I'll submit this and if they like it, they'll start to use them. But if they don't like it, they'll correct it and they'll say, okay, work on this, work on that, work on that. And as easy as this, you can make a lot of money designing. So this is all we have to do today. Want to appreciate you for watching to the very end. I believe that you must have got one or two things here. The basic things we are looking at in designing is alignment. Okay, that's arranging everything. If you are putting them in center, let them be in center. If you're putting them on the left, let them be on the left. If you're putting them on the right, let them be on the right. So that's alignment. Okay, we have middle, center, left, right, bottom, top alignment. Okay, that's also what we can call arrangement as well. We have colors, we have fonts. All right. So if you notice, I was not using different fonts. I used only one font throughout all the design, just one font. All the fonts are the same, agency FB. All right, so I used the same font across all the designs, just one font. You can go up to a maximum of 3 fonts for a design. Okay, so then pictures, images, quality images. I showed you where you can get them already. So this is all we needed to do in this design, in this tutorial, and I hope you learned a lot in this. If you have any question, you can drop them on the comment section. Okay, okay, now so we're done designing. We're done designing. The next thing we do is to export them. We've already saved them. That's a PSD format. So in order to export this, what you have to do is to come to File, Save As, and save to the computer. You switch this from PSD to JPEG, and voila, it's ready as a JPEG on your device. Okay. So here, the same thing. You come here, come to File. Let me save first of all. Then Save As, save on computer. Come here, JPEG, save. Okay. And then here, which is the first one we made, design, save as, come here, and yep. This is how to save your pictures, your design as pictures, okay? And send them to whoever would be supposed to receive them, all right? So that's it. We're done.